We're here at Credit One Stadium, which features over 40,000 square foot of our permeable pavers. These products are designed in such a way to reduce stormwater runoff and allow that rainwater to rejoin the natural water cycle. So the first product featured out here in the entryway, the courtyards, and prior to the entry to the actual stadium is our Hydro Shed Tabby. The color here is called Sand Dollar. This is a very custom product. So again, we have our tabby finish. You can see it in the surface here. So this is a look that's premier to us. We're very excited to share it and showcase it. So very bright white color, high reflectance, so it does stay cooler to the touch as well. Beautiful product, beautifully installed. They also added a tabby shell to the joint just to kind of emulate that Lowcountry look even more. The whole perimeter of the backside of the stadium features our larger format plank style permeable paver. That's our Hydro Plank. That's a 4x13 plank style paver. It's 110 millimeter, so it is perfectly suited for high commercial traffic. They're gonna be getting a ton of deliveries, a ton of loadouts coming through the back section, so this product will hold up very nicely. And again, this is a permeable product, so when it rains, the water is captured within the joint, and it gets delivered down to the base so that it can be cycled through the natural water cycle. This is installed on a herringbone, which is such a classic look. It holds up very, very well to commercial vehicular traffic. The color here is battery gray. It's a nice dark gray, which is perfectly suited. If you're gonna have a lot of commercial traffic, you're usually gonna have a lot of oil stains. These mask those stains very well because of its darker color. So when we're talking about permeable pavers and we want to know what makes the product permeable, well, in this instance, we look at our spacer bars on this product. When they interlock, they leave a sizable gap, and in that gap, we sweep a granular stone. In this instance, we swept in an 89 granite stone, and what that allows, it'll actually capture the rain as it falls, and it'll allow that water to rejoin the base so that it can be routed to somewhere else or so that it can drain into the environment naturally. So again, the increased spacer bar size is what actually results in the permeability for this product and other products that are similar to it. So now to showcase how this is gonna work, we're gonna take a gallon of water here and we're gonna pour it through the joint. And just imagine that this is rain that's falling or stormwater that's flowing down, and we're gonna watch how it's actually captured within the joints. Thanks so much for joining us today. A special thanks out to Seaman & Whiteside for designing this beautiful space, Choke Construction for managing the construction of this space, and Pleasant Places, they actually completed the installation. So thanks to all of them. Please be sure to subscribe and follow along if you want to see more projects like this being featured and discussed.